Hey everybody, we're back at it with the next part in our series here having to do with the measure. We've done several videos now learning about the staff. Now let's figure out what happens on the staff, what occurs on the staff musically. And the staff is relatable to the English language in two ways. The first way it's relatable to English and reading English in particular is that in music we read left to right, just like we do in English. Another way that it's relatable is when you're reading the written English word, you will see a space in between every single word on a page. In music, you'll see something similar, although it's not a space. What you'll see in music that separates one measure of music from another one is something called a bar line. This is what a bar line would look like on a staff. Anything that occurs in between two of those bar lines would be in one measure of music. Any one staff on a page could have several measures on it. Here's an example of a staff that has two measures on it. Measure 1 and measure 2. Here's an example of a staff that has 4 measures on it. Measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. Here's an example of a staff that has 10 measures on it. So now we know that there are 5 lines on the staff, that there could be several different staves on one page, and that every staff can have several measures within it. Your assignment that is going to accompany this video is going to be to take the accompanying blank page of staves and write in the following: 2 measures on the first line, 3 measures on the second line, 4 measures on the next line, 5 measures on the line after that, and finally 6 measures on the line after that. Good luck.